I couldn't sustain it.
It is really tough.
Lower talented people are higher achievers.
Of journaling was like doing a self-talk.
Career growth.
One of the greatest blessings that I've had in the recent past is the access to the Magic Spark app as part of the 120-day Hypoha digital transformation program created by the Tiny Magic team. This tool provided me not just an opportunity to start journaling my experiences, be it around my personal walk of life or at my workplace, but also an ability to travel back and refer and reflect on what I had journaled in the past. During this journey, my experience of journaling was like doing a self-talk that makes myself feel very positive. This served as a great tool to help create a few tiny habits. The daily push-ups that we started at the beginning of our training became a daily routine to journal. I had developed various other tiny habits like skipping, which is jumping rope, and doing the planks every day. And by journaling after completing them every day helped me keep the count of the days I've been doing them continuously. Interestingly, today, the day I'm recording this video, happens to be my 100th day of my daily skipping, wherein I have not missed it even a single day. Extending the same into the learning space, I have now developed the habit of everyday learning and reading. Recently, I completed the 3 months course on data science via Udemy, which I used to journal every day to keep a track of how many minutes I was able to dedicate towards this course. I'm sure it's going to help me inculcate very many tiny habits that would shape me up as a better person in both professional and personal walks of my life.
It has been great experience for me to attend influence workshop, which helped me develop new habits for better health, improved relationships and career growth. And the best part which I liked in the workshop was an online daily check-in and fortnightly reviews. This was greatly helpful, and HIPOA framework, or as it is called, high performance happily achieved, is really there all the way.
While I've been consistent with running, I've been consistent with so many other things. Somewhere you wanted to do all by yourself, unmonitored,
Right.
and without any this one, like it is really tough, very tough. So that is when you know you need some kind of, okay, even in your journal by yourself, without a reporting part, you can journal by yourself. You can have your own records. You can, like save, you can, nowadays, like there are a lot of this one, we are wearing smartwatches. Okay, you have apps. When you're just going to log in by yourself, you're not going to get that incentive. It is very tough. When you do that, when you get into a community, when you connect on the smartwatch apps also, you have to get connected with a small community. Wherein like somebody like says, hey, awesome work, man. You just need that incentive. It might be, you might be doing the same thing. You might be doing the same, like I did it. You might have just logged in your 12-kilometer run, which is a very simple one, regular things. We keep doing it on a regular basis. But then, hey, awesome run. One thumbs up, one like. Say like even in our tiny, this one, okay, we had our tiny group.
Correct.
Okay. When we are logging our whatever we just did, we say like we did that day. Okay. We completed the task that day.
Mm-hmm.
It is there in the app. But then when we share it in our WhatsApp group, that is where the accountability comes. Whether like others see or not, whatever, that is a different thing. We had about 40 or 50 people in the group.
Correct.
Maybe 1 or 2 might just give one thumbs up for that. But then still we have a satisfaction of logging it there. It is like, okay, logging it into the app is one part. Sharing it in the WhatsApp group. This just logging it in the app is for your own satisfaction. You know it. Okay. As long as you are reporting to someone else, whether you're doing it or not, that is only to your conscious. Whereas when you share it, when someone else sees it, that is when you are like kind of more conscious. Everyone, the world is watching you. You can't skip. You don't want to be a loser in front of the world. especially going on for like we wanted to start off as 1 month, correct, 30-day challenge, but we continued.
Yes.
We all continued for about 100 days. I'm talking like after your 70th day or something like that, you don't want to fail there.
Ah,
Especially you don't want to fail in front of the world. I'm talking world in the sense your friends, your own
Right.
friends, or any one more additional person.
one more additional person.
That's all. It's just that additional one person, whoever it may be. It is not that you're an authority or anything in this case, right?
Correct.
We're all just friends. We were a group. We are just doing it. But still, the fear of failure there. True. And then that is very positive. I'm saying that is one thing which made you really consistent.
Mm.
The fear of losing is a factor which is there in the back of the mind. Even if you see few of those days, I would have done it. I might not have journaled it.
Okay.
Someone else like posting it in our group, immediately say, oh, I haven't done it. That is another discipline. I'm saying like doing it is a discipline. Journaling is needs an additional discipline.
How is it possible that higher talented people are lower achievers versus lower talented people are higher achievers? It's only and only because the person who takes more amount of action and does it more consistently, they will get better, they will get ahead faster. I was a lazy fitness person. I would not do fitness at all. And we were asked to do a 1-minute plank.
Okay.
And in my mind, I was thinking, this is easy. I've done 2-minute plank, you know, and we started doing it. And I think at 35, 40 seconds, I was like, shit, man, when will the rest of the 20 seconds?
Okay.
And so when that 1 minute happened, I realized that 2 minutes I could have done probably a year back, not today. I could do finally consistently when I started doing it. In 2 months' time, I did 3 minutes, 180 seconds.
Okay.
And in fact, with a break of 30 seconds, I could do 3 reps of 90 seconds.
Wow.
So that was like a, good incremental improvement from what I was doing earlier. And I definitely became more fitter and more lively.
It took 10 years and a strict doctor warning for me to get into a workout regime 5 years ago. I couldn't sustain it for more than 2 years due to my travel and work. For the last 3 years, I've been trying to get back into a routine workout regime, and I was losing confidence on my ability to get back with catching age and increasing personal obligations. That's exactly when Tiny Magic happened. In the program, I was part of a team. I had to do my daily bit to ensure I was not pulling down my team. Seeing my team members and other team members do their journaling motivated me. It constantly reminded me to do my bit. By way of journaling, I was able to observe changes in my body. And when I found tangible changes, it only motivated me further. It increased a sense of discipline in me. I've been very good with my food. I've been having healthy options. I've been reducing significant weight. And all this just motivates me only further. Today, I do work out more than what is required for keeping up my tiny grit. Today, I work out as easily and seamlessly as I breathe. I do not have the barriers that were earlier preventing me from having a workout regime. I've applied the principle of tiny grit to my personal as well as professional life, and it indeed worked wonders. Rather, it indeed worked magic. In fact, this is the same case with every single teammate of mine. The program motivates you to build up a habit, and a habit with a purpose. The program never started off prescribing us a 30-minute or a 1-hour exercise every single day. All it asked us to do was to do 1 push-up or 1 sit-up or 1 squat or do a basic walk, which was always easy for all of us to do. And without us knowing, we ourselves got into a great and a healthy habit. Program is the most incredible and a life-changing program that I have ever been part of.